Hello everyone and welcome to day 1 of STEAM Camp. Today we will be creating an exploding sandwich bag experiment. You will need vinegar, baking soda, Ziploc bag, measuring spoon, measuring cup, water, and a Kleenex. Measure and pour a 1/4 cup of water into the bag, followed by a 1/2 cup of vinegar. Lay your Kleenex tissue flat on the surface, grab your measuring spoon, and measure out 3 tablespoons of baking soda and place it in the center of the Kleenex. Then you will fold the sides of the tissue together to form a pocket. Sit in the Ziploc bag. Hold it in place while you seal the top of the bag with your other hand. Release the Kleenex pocket into the water mixture, shake it up a little bit, give it a nice squeeze to activate the baking soda with the vinegar and water. Then back up, sit, observe, and wait. You will notice that when baking soda and vinegar combine, they create carbon dioxide and the gas expands inside the sandwich bag. Give the bag a little shake. Here it comes. The gas has to escape. Ready? And... Awesome job! Wasn't that fun? See you tomorrow!